Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are all well. So today's card and project is a little collaboration between me and Jean. I'm going to brutalise her surname. Please accept my apologies. Pierstani, otherwise known as Beauty and the Stamper. So she contacted me via Instagram and offered to do this collaboration with me, and it's incredible. I'm so grateful. I've sat through her Instagram, I've sat through her website, and I've sat through her videos, a lot of videos, and I've had a good rummage, and she's incredible. If you're heading over from her to me, hi, welcome. My name's Martin. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK. And it's really nice that she wants to collaborate with me, and I can't wait to hopefully do this again in the future, because let's face it, Stampin' Up is a massive family and I'm excited. So hi everybody who's coming over here for the first time. I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure you check out other videos as well, because there's a few. Okay, so shall we get started? So the collaboration was agreed to use the Everything is Rosy product medley, and the reason for that is we know we're going to be using the exact same products for you to look at. So this is my example here. It's super cute and it's super easy, so anybody can recreate it using the product medley stamp set, dies, paper, embellishments, ribbon. There's so much available. So shall we get started? So let's move the stamp set out of the way and move our example to the top. Okay, so the card itself is a standard T6 size, and here in the UK that is a 10.5 by 14.8. Okay, so that is 21 by 14.8 folded at 10.5. Okay, so I've created a mat, again of Whisper White, this time just regular cardstock, and this measures 9.7 by 14, okay, and this just is going to sit on top of our card base like so, and give us that nice little extra detail of border and the differences between the whites. This is going to be matted on to dimensionals, just so then that light gives off a nice shadow, as you can see here. So what I find beneficial about using a piece of paper, piece of Whisper White cardstock on top of a Whisper White base, is that it gives a nice thing for anybody who's starting off. They can throw this away and not be too concerned if something went wrong, but with the thick cardstock you get a lot less for your money, but you want to use this for your card bases, whereas you get 40 sheets of this for I think £9 here in the UK. So shall we get started? I've said that a lot, and blame nerves. So in the product medley you get lots and lots of embellishments, and I'm going to be using these little floral bursts that are available. So I'm only going to be using 3, but as you can see here there's a lot more happening, and that's because I'm going to use the offcuts in which to pad it out, as you will. But before we attach them down, I have already gone ahead and heat embossed my sentiment onto a strip of Night of Navy, so that coordinates lovely with our card. And I've just done the sentiment, and don't let worry spoil your day. So I've gone ahead and done that just to save time. As you can see there, this strip measures 1.2 centimetres. The sentiment itself would fit in a 1 centimetre strip, however I wanted to give myself that little extra room just so it doesn't look too crowded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly grab my snow adhesive and run that along the back like so. And within the die collection we get this amazing edge die that you see here, and this foil cardstock is also available in the kit, so already you can see how much you're getting for your money. So I'm just going to line this up. I think because I haven't cut this straight, I'm just going to take some away just so it's not peeping out the top. So just quickly cut that down like so. So taking our sentiment, I'm literally just going to line it up with that edge like so. So we've just got that super delicate edge to our sentiment. So again, I'm just going to pop this snail on the back like so. Move these out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up. So I know this is going to be roughly there, like so. And this one here, coming down this way. So I'm going to line this up with my grid paper, slap this from behind. So and just secure that in place by running my fingers along. So this little bit's going to be hidden by the flower, and we can just turn this over and cut off the excess. So like that. Here comes the very heavy dimensional based part. So you can attach these just to your card like so, but I like giving my card some height and dimension, and this is just because I like filling a space. So it's probably not the best card to send to somebody in the post, but if you're lucky enough to see them on, for whatever reason, you can give it to them there. So dimensionals are being taken off the backs. Like so. And then I'm just going to place this onto my card where I like. So as you can see, this is hanging over, and I've still got the dimensionals here, and the reason for that is so I don't have to stress about filling up the space after. So I'm just going to cut this down, and then this is one of the offcuts in which we can stick elsewhere on our card. So I can just place it down here, lining it up with that edge like so. So there is very little waste with this card, which is very beneficial. Let's face it, we all like to be frugal. Peeling the backs off, like so. And then popping this down as well. Like so. And then again, just chop it off at the back. There's one bit which you can use down here. Just chop this bit off. So in the product medley as well, you get 2 sheets of each of the not going to use that one. 2 sheets of the accents and embellishments. So this uses 2 big ones and 1 small one. You still have another 3 to use on that 1 sheet, so you can make plenty of these cards, no problem. Pop some more dimensionals on. And that's going to go down here, like so. So it turns out that I've actually done the sentiment a lot lower this card, which is fine, it doesn't really matter. It just means I'm going to have more here to use than I did previously. So let's take that, pop that there, and just cut along this line, like so. And let's use this bit down here just to fill out this bottom bit, like so. So we're not finished there. Before we stick it to our card, I've got a little trick. So you get shimmer paint with the kit. Just gonna shake up. And I've got a very empty blender pen, and all I'm going to do is dip the empty blender pen in and just create little dots randomly around. So that's the bottom done. Just top it up if you like. And that is that bit done. So I'm going to pop mine up on the long adhesive strips, which if I flip this round, I'm going to cut one in half, place one there, and then another one here, like so. And then just cut one into 3. So one can go there, one can go there, and one can go here. I got inky fingers, so I'm just gonna wipe them off. Then just peel the backs off. Like so, and bring back your card base and position that the right way, like so. And there you have today's project. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe. And why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such an effective and adorable card. If you did want any other information in regards to the services I provide here in the UK, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions. I'll see you around. Bye.